Morning guys, New York City. It's 6:30 a.m. Just about to go pick up our rental car.
You want me in there? Hi.
Just arrived in Boston. It's freezing cold. JB's joined us.
How's it going?
Well, thanks for tuning in today, guys. It's been a lot of fun. Definitely enjoyed today's meetup in Watertown, just outside of Boston. It's been a lot of fun. Steph says bye, JB says bye, say bye.
Bye.
Later.
Don't forget to press like, don't forget to press subscribe. Don't forget to do the other things you're meant to do.